Are you ready to take your business workflows to the next level? Let's talk about the AI tool taking businesses by storm, Microsoft Copilot. Hey there, Stan from Stan's Garage. Our channel brings you everything you need to know for successful business IT management and some tech news too. If you're new here, I've been running STG Infotech, a successful managed IT service provider here in Los Angeles for the past 15 years. My goal with this channel is to help businesses and executives approach IT with confidence. In this video, we're deep diving into Copilot from Microsoft 365, the ultimate productivity companion. Microsoft Copilot is not just another tech buzzword living rent-free in your mind. It's a sophisticated integration of large language models, Microsoft Graph content, and your everyday Microsoft 365 apps designed to streamline your productivity. Basically, ChatGPT living inside your Microsoft Office suite. But with Copilot, you're tapping into the power of AI algorithms like generative pre-trained transformers, GPT, enabling you to generate text, summarize content, and predict outcomes effortlessly. Heck, it'll even put together a PowerPoint presentation for you based on your prompts. Let's break it down and see if it's worth the investment. If your business is already using Microsoft's suite of applications, why not make using them even more efficient? In a word, Copilot becomes your drafting assistant, helping you craft documents with precision and clarity. In PowerPoint, it transforms the way you create presentations, from generating ideas to making deck-wide formatting changes. But Copilot doesn't stop there. In Outlook, it provides coaching tips, summarizes email threads, and while in Teams, it enhances collaboration by summarizing chat content and assisting in real-time meetings by providing transcription, summarizing what went down. Plus, there's more innovation on the horizon. Microsoft is constantly refining Copilot to meet the evolving needs of businesses worldwide. It's coming to OneDrive soon as well. Enter new features like Copilot's GPT, a customizable way, create your interests and otherwise have Copilot put stuff together for you. Copilot mobile app is now available for both Android and iOS devices, allowing you to access Copilot's capability on the go. With features like GPT-4 and DALL-E 3 for image creation, the Copilot app seamlessly integrates with your PC experience. And for Microsoft account holders, Copilot is now integrated into the Microsoft 365 mobile app for Android and iOS, meaning you can access Copilot directly within the app and easily export your creations to Word or PDF documents, whatever format you need. Now, why should your business invest in Microsoft Copilot? Well, it's simple. Efficiency, accuracy, and staying ahead of the curve. It's worth $30 a month maybe, don't you think, per user? Well, we'll see. Copilot empowers you to work smarter, not harder, by leveraging the latest in AI technology. And rest assured, your data security is Microsoft's top priority. Copilot operates within the confines of your existing Microsoft 365 security protocols, ensuring your information remains safe and compliant. Now, you ready to experience the future of productivity? Microsoft Copilot is available as an add-on plan with several Microsoft 365 licensing options, making it accessible to businesses of just about any size. Previously, Copilot was exclusively available for enterprise-level businesses only. But now, with no seat minimum, even small businesses can harness the power of artificial intelligence to streamline their workflows. Commercial customers, whether using a Microsoft 365 Premium or Business Standard, can now purchase between 1 and 300 seats for just $30 per user per month. Prepaid on an annual basis, I might have to add. And for those seeking personalized assistance, Microsoft's network of cloud solution providers is ready to guide you through the integration process. Don't let new technology hold your business back. Now, if you have a business in the LA area, reach out to us at stginfotech.com or schedule a call with me via the Calendly link below to learn more about how we can help you unleash the power of Microsoft Copilot for your business. Thanks for tuning into the channel. If you're interested in learning more about Microsoft or all things tech, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.